Truck drivers. Have you been driving a truck for 2 or more years and you're still driving for a company? First of all, just let me say if you have, you need to stop. You're leaving a lot of money on the table. You're leaving a lot of time freedom on the table. All right? These companies are getting rich while you're working for them. You need to start your own trucking company. I don't know how else to say it. And I know what you're thinking to yourself. Well, I don't have the money to buy my own truck or to start my own trucking company. Well, that's where I come in. All right. People think that you have to go the traditional route of getting loans and funding from banks. Well, you don't. Not in today's era. Um, Getting loans from banks can be very, very hard, time consuming. It's a lot of unnecessary steps that the banks take you through a lot of the time. So contact me and I will show you the steps you need to take. I'll show you exactly where you need to go to get the funding you need to get your first truck, or just no matter what business. It doesn't have to be truck driving. Any business you're looking to go in, it doesn't matter your credit score, it doesn't matter your past situation. Give me a call and I'm going to show you exactly where to go and get the money you need to start your business, whether it be a trucking company, whether you're trying to buy your first truck, whether you're trying to open up a restaurant. It doesn't matter what it is. But I'm specifically talking to truck drivers. Truck drivers, there's no need to be out there on the road weeks and months at a time away from your family, just to make a few dollars. And, these trucking companies are taking advantage of you. In today's market rates, truck drivers, owner operators specifically, are making a lot of money. And you should be putting that money in your pocket and stop working for these companies. All right. So I'll hold you by the hand. I'll show you step by step. Even if you don't know how to set your company up, I'll show you. I'll show you where to get the money. I'll show you what steps you need to take from getting your business license all the way up until getting your tag and all of that good stuff for your truck. All right. So give me a call at 877-683-5399. Again, that's 877-683-5399. Or you can reach out to me at my website. That's www.nuflexfunds.com. That's NUFLEXFUNDS.com. And I can get you going. Let's start working for yourself, building something for yourself and your family. All right. I'll see you on the inside.